Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as fascinating as it is practical, companion planting. If you're a gardener or thinking about starting your own garden, you'll definitely want to stick around. We're going to uncover some companion planting tips that actually work wonders for your plants. So, what exactly is companion planting? It's all about strategically planting different species of plants together to help them thrive. You see, certain plants have natural affinities for each other, and when grown side by side, they can boost growth, repel pests, and even improve flavor. It's like nature's own gardening hack. Tip number 1, pair up your herbs with your veggies. Plants like basil, parsley, and cilantro aren't just tasty additions to your kitchen. They can also act as bodyguards for your vegetables. For example, basil near tomatoes can enhance tomato flavor and deter pests like aphids and whiteflies. Plus, herbs attract beneficial insects like bees and butterflies, which are essential for pollination. Imagine having a mini herb garden right next to your favorite tomato patch. It's a win-win. Now let's talk about the power of flowers. Tip number 2, incorporate flowers into your vegetable garden. Marigolds, nasturtiums, and calendula are not just pretty faces, they're superheroes in the garden world. These colorful blooms can repel harmful pests like nematodes and aphids, protecting your precious veggies naturally. Plus, flowers attract beneficial insects like ladybugs and hoverflies, which feast on garden pests. Who knew flowers could be such amazing allies? Tip number 3, harness the wisdom of the three sisters. This ancient Native American planting technique involves growing corn, beans, and squash together. Corn provides a natural support for beans to climb, while beans fix nitrogen in the soil, benefiting the corn and squash. The squash acts as a living mulch, shading the soil and suppressing weeds. It's a perfect example of how different plants can work together harmoniously, just like in nature's own orchestra. Moving on to tip number 4, embrace the power of onions and carrots. Did you know that these two root vegetables make fantastic neighbors? Planting onions alongside carrots can confuse carrot flies and root maggots, reducing pest damage naturally. Plus, onions deter aphids and other pests that might munch on your delicate carrot tops. It's a simple trick with big benefits. Last but not least, tip number 5, use companion plants to attract pollinators. Plants like lavender, borage, and bee balm are not only beautiful additions to your garden, they're irresistible to bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. By planting these alongside your fruits and veggies, you're ensuring a bountiful harvest through enhanced pollination. It's like inviting nature's best workers to your garden party. And there you have it, companion planting tips that actually work wonders for your garden. Whether you're aiming to boost growth, ward off pests, or simply create a more biodiverse and beautiful garden space, companion planting is a game changer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. And hey, if you have any companion planting success stories or tips of your own, share them with us in the comments below. Happy gardening, everyone. See you next time.